Welcome to the top best. The Best Herb Indoor is probably one of the most versatile and rewarding additions you can make to your home, allowing you to cultivate fresh herbs year-round, regardless of your gardening experience or available outdoor space. Imagine snipping fresh basil for your pasta, mint for your tea, or chives for your omelets, all grown right in your kitchen or living room, bringing both vibrant flavor and a touch of green to your daily life. This innovative system simplifies the process, making it accessible for everyone to enjoy the benefits of homegrown herbs. Number 5. AeroGarden Harvest Indoor Garden. Experience abundant harvests year-round with this indoor hydroponic system. Grow your favorite vegetables, herbs, or flowers in water, without the mess of soil. This compact countertop garden can grow up to 6 different live plants at once. It features a spacious grow deck and water bowl, accommodating plants up to 12 inches tall. Our full-spectrum LED grow light mimics natural sunlight with an automatic timer. It helps plants germinate up to 5 times faster than when grown in soil. The touch-sensitive control panel reminds you when to add water and plant food. This makes for a simplified and worry-free gardening experience. This system comes complete with a 20W LED grow light, power adapter, and liquid plant food. It also includes a gourmet herb seed pod kit with popular herbs. What we like? This system makes indoor gardening incredibly simple, even for beginners. It automates the lighting and reminds you when to add water and nutrients. If you want a completely hands-off approach to growing herbs indoors with minimal mess, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. This thing is great. It does everything it says and more, is easy to use, and will give me fresh greens all winter. Best part is that this is almost zero work. Top off the water every now and then and add 2 capfuls of plant food every 2 weeks when the light goes on. The grow lights are on for 15-hour increments. You can adjust the time they turn on by pressing and holding the light indicator at the time you want it to turn on each day. The lights snap to 5 different heights. Number 4. Homegrown 15-pack Culinary Herb Seeds. Start your own herb garden with this all-in-one heirloom herb seeds kit. It includes 15 popular varieties, all USA sourced and tested for high germination. You can grow them in your backyard, on a windowsill, or in pots for fresh flavors all season long. These seeds thrive in hydroponic systems, indoor planters, or traditional soil. They are perfect for apartment dwellers and urban gardeners with limited outdoor space. Grow fresh herbs year-round, even in small containers. This herb seed starter kit makes a thoughtful gift for anyone who loves fresh ingredients. It's perfect for Christmas, Mother's Day, birthdays, or housewarmings. Give the gift of fresh herbs that keeps on growing. Every seed is 100% non-GMO and heirloom, with germination rates above 85%. Even first-time gardeners can see results quickly. Grow unlimited fresh herbs for pennies instead of buying them at the store. These herbs are great for cooking, brewing teas, making crafts, or even teaching kids about gardening. They add stunning decor to your kitchen and provide a wonderful screen-free activity for families. What we like? This is an incredible value for anyone looking to grow a wide variety of herbs. With over 5,100 seeds, you can grow herbs for cooking, teas, crafts, and more, year after year. If you're a budget-conscious gardener or want to experiment with many different herbs without a big initial investment, this seed pack is ideal. What people say. Seeds germinated without issue and sprouts started sprouting. Some are doing better than others in my new little countertop hydroponic herb garden, but they're all coming along nicely. Pretty easy to grow that way. This variety pack comes with different tools in it to help you measure how deep you plant the seeds, which I think is fantastic. I've never seen this before and it really made a huge difference to have the measuring tool. It also includes a little pair of tweezers to pick up the seeds if you want to be very precise with your seed count. Number 3. Spade to Fork Organic Indoor Herb Garden Kit. Introducing the Spade to Fork Organic Indoor Herb Garden Kit, your all-in-one solution for fresh herbs at home. Everything you need to start growing is included. Our kit features USDA-certified organic and OMRI-listed seeds, soil, and pots, ensuring a safe and sustainable growing experience. It's proudly made in the USA on our family farm. Inside, you'll find 5 types of organic herb seeds, compostable pots, rich potting soil discs, custom plant markers, and a detailed growing guide. You'll be harvesting in no time. Looking for a unique gift? This kit is perfect for birthdays, holidays, or housewarmings. It's a thoughtful present for anyone who loves fresh flavors and homegrown goodness. Bring life and flavor to your kitchen with this beautiful indoor herb garden. Add a touch of gourmet to your meals with herbs grown right in your own home. This kit offers a rewarding activity for all ages and skill levels. Enjoy the process of growing your own delicious herbs and sharing the joy with your loved ones. What we like. This kit prioritizes organic and sustainable growing practices, ensuring everything from the seeds to the soil and pots is safe and eco-friendly. If you are passionate about organic living and want a complete, US-made starter kit for growing your own herbs with peace of mind, this is the perfect option. What people say. The seeds for each herb were enough for several batches. There was enough soil for one extra container. The simple artwork and presentation alone are well thought out. The creative way the herbs are stored was a nice surprise. All 5 have sprouted. They came within 4 to 11 days. They seem to be going quite strong. Number 2. Barnyard Designs Indoor Herb Garden Planter Set. Add a touch of natural beauty to your home with this charming vintage metal planter. Its farmhouse style brings a unique aesthetic to any space. Keep your favorite herbs like basil and rosemary within easy reach. It's perfect for your kitchen counter or as a decorative piece on your windowsill. These pots feature drainage holes and a drip tray to protect your plants from overwatering and root rot. This ensures your plants stay healthy and vibrant. Whether indoors or outdoors, this planter is designed to accommodate herbs of various heights. Create a thriving herb garden wherever you choose. This set includes 3 durable pots and a tray, all in a stylish matte white finish. It's everything you need to start your indoor or outdoor herb garden. What we like. These charming vintage metal pots add a farmhouse aesthetic to your kitchen or windowsill. They come with essential drainage and a tray to keep surfaces clean. If you're looking for a stylish and functional way to display your herbs on a windowsill or countertop, and appreciate a rustic look, these planters are a great pick. What people say. They are perfectly sized for a windowsill herb garden. I planted small herb plants, which I purchased at Home Depot, and the pots work perfectly. Love this planter box for my windowsill. Originally I had herbs in it and the standard herbs at the garden center fit in the cups perfectly, I think a little less than 4 inches. The drainage holes work well and sufficient for the size of the plant. The planter is easy to clean, hasn't faded or chipped since I've had them for around 6 months now. They brighten up the space. Number 1. Click and Grow Smart Garden Indoor Herb Garden Kit. Enjoy fresh herbs and vegetables year-round with our smart garden. Energy-efficient LED grow lights ensure your plants thrive, regardless of the weather outside. Getting started is simple. Just add the plant pods, fill the water reservoir, and plug it in. This self-watering planter makes growing easy. Explore over 50 pre-seeded plant pods to grow your favorite herbs like basil and cilantro, or even chili peppers. The possibilities are vast. With our seedless pods, you have the freedom to grow anything you desire. You don't need any gardening experience to succeed. Once your herbs and veggies are grown, you can easily transplant them. Move them to your favorite indoor or outdoor planters to continue enjoying them. What we like. This smart garden takes the guesswork out of growing, with automated watering and lighting that ensures optimal plant growth. It offers a vast selection of pre-seeded pods and even seedless options for ultimate customization. If you desire a foolproof, modern indoor garden that's easier than hydroponics and allows you to grow a wide variety of plants with minimal effort, this is the one for you. What people say. It simplifies the growing process. There's no need to set timers or add fertilizer manually. The design of Click and Grow is both stylish and practical, built to last. No LCD screen that might malfunction, and the light arms are sturdy. I've noticed that over time the smart soil gets a bit moldy from the moisture. I'm not sure if this is just an issue that I'm solely encountering or if this is an issue shared by others. Either way, it hasn't seemed to really affect the growth of the plant. Sweet alyssums. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.